playing Elemental Tycoon. So according to like when I've played it and how I've played it, I think nature's the best. And let me just show you real quick. I should probably rebirth. Can I rebirth? No, not yet. Oh, I'm 69%. But let me just show you why this is actually so good. Because I was playing nature like a tiny bit. Or with nature. And this is the combo I use. Wait. Look. Edit. Look at that. Actually, look at that. It's just so OP. Wait, how about I face this guy? I don't really know where the arena is. Yeah, I thought it was this way. I don't know which one that is. Is that... They're not here. Oh, wait. I think they meant, like, the normal arena. Like... this one. I'd call that King of the Hill, but whatevs. Whatever. Oh, shoot, someone's coming. Nature's Wrath, Time Burst, Nuclear Spore, Nature's Blessing, Plantoid. Where'd he go? Little bro ran. I'm missing one. Wait, no, I'm not. I thought I was missing one. I thought I was missing like one of my abilities. I see you, Ice. Sniped. Oh shoot. I'm scared. Nature and time. What? Time affects me. I am the king. Bro, okay. You really want to fight? You want to fight? I'll fight. What? Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay, time to showcase what this can really do. What? Why did I just get gifted 1,000? That's actually really weird. Now this is why I thought I was missing something. I thought I was missing light because you don't, because it doesn't automatically spawn in there. You have to like go and do what I just did. So I'm gonna go to the arena. I got ghosted again, man. Don't worry, I'm speedy. Never back down, never what? Never give up. Boom. I just absolutely boomed everyone.